Hi, you're watching Yoga with AJ, and today we're going to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which in simple terms means alternate nostril breathing. So far, all the breathing exercises we have done have been through both nostrils, and we're always going to practice breathing through the nostrils, not through the mouth, unless directed otherwise. But today we're going to alternate the breath. We're going to see how the breath flows from the left to the right and then again from the right to the left. So why are we doing that? In simple yogic terms, the left side of the body is considered to have female energy and the right side of the body to have male energy. Now, whether you're a man or a woman, we all have it. So what is the female energy? The female energy is soft, it's emotional, it thinks organically. And the other side, the male side, is very logical, it's very practical. So if you had to think of it in simple terms, perhaps it's like the tussle between the head and the heart. But you need both voices of your head and your heart in order to make an informed decision. So we need both energies, our emotional side as well as our logical side, our practical side, in order to live a complete life. And Anulom Vilom helps us to balance these energies. So as I've mentioned before, pranayam is a regulation of energy. It's regulating energy, not just the breath. So let's get started with that. Find a nice comfortable seated posture. You could be in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. You could also be sitting in a chair or with your back against a wall. Just make sure your back is nice and straight. Have your hands resting in Chin Mudra, forefinger and thumb touching. And we're just going to take 3 deep breaths and observe the in-breath and the out-breath at first through both nostrils. So let's do that. Alright, let's take a moment to observe, count how many counts it takes us to inhale and how many counts it takes us to exhale. So mentally count your inhale and then mentally count your exhale. Let's do that for 2 more breaths. The mudra on your left hand will be Chin Mudra, forefinger and thumb touching. And on your right hand, I'd like you to fold the first 2 fingers into the base of the thumb. So that frees up your right thumb and your right ring finger. And these are the fingers, the thumb and the finger, that you're going to use to close each nostril so that you can breathe through the other. So let's try only breathing through the left nostril at first. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through the nose. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale and exhale 5 times through the left nostril. Once you're done with your 5th exhalation, relax. Relax your hands as well. So as you're doing this, I'd like you to keep your back straight, and because you'll be using your right arm quite a lot more than the left, pay special attention that you relax the right shoulder into its socket and try to keep the right arm, the upper arm, as vertical as possible, resting the arm against the side of your body or your chest so that you can relax this shoulder. Otherwise, it can become very cumbersome. Let's try it on the other nostril. And as you're doing this, try and observe, is the breath flowing more freely, more easily? Is there more volume of air on the other side as you breathe, or was it the other way around? Again, folding the first 2 fingers into the thumb, inhale, exhale through the nose, close the left nostril with the ring finger and breathe, inhale and exhale only through the right, 5 times. After the fifth exhale, relax your hands, relax your body. And you may have noticed that the breath was flowing a little more freely on any one side than the other. And this is normal. So inside the body, one nostril is always a little more dominant than the other, and this switches every few hours. So sometimes it's the left for a few hours, more breath flowing there, and sometimes it's the right. And that's connected to how the brain functions. So the left part of your brain is connected to the right side of the body. It's like a cross connection. And the left brain is the logical part, which we consider the male part. It thinks in linear terms. It likes to think sequentially. I'll do this first, then this, and then that. And it's very practical, very grounded. On the other hand, the right brain is the one that creates dreams. The ideas may not seem logical. They may seem like an abstract painting. The right brain is very emotional. It brings up the feelings of what you experienced, not the logic of what you experienced. And that's connected to the left side of your body, the female side of you. So we're going to regulate these energies, we're going to balance these energies, and we're going to alternate the breath now. One very important thing to remember while you're practicing, try to keep your head straight. So try to practice this with your eyes open so that you know whether your head is tilting to the left or the right, because the way you tilt your head influences the breath towards that side. Once again, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra, or it's also called Nasagra Mudra. Relax and straighten your back and shoulders. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the nose. Close right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Now inhale right again. Close right. Exhale left. Relax. So that was one round of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. We're going to practice 7 rounds without any pauses. Once again, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Nasagra. It's also called Vishnu Mudra. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through the nose. And begin. After you finish the 7th exhale, relax your hands down onto your thighs again. Come back to Chin Mudra, both hands, and just observe your breath. You may want to close your eyes or keep them open. Observe how your breathing is flowing now after doing that breathing exercise. And relax. So we're going to try this pranayam one more time, 3 more rounds, and this time you're going to try and make your inhale and exhale equal to each other. So I'm adding another element. You're going to try and count the number of counts it takes you to inhale and equalize that with your exhale. So let's try that. 3 deep breaths. Nasagra Mudra on your right hand. Take a nice long inhalation. Exhale through the nose. And begin. Equal inhale, equal exhale. Once you're done with the last exhale through the left nostril, relax. So if you found that was difficult to equalize the in-breath and the out-breath while alternating the breath between the left and the right nostril, maybe you're not ready to go there yet. Don't worry about the length of the breath, just focus on alternate nostril breathing for now. So that was Anulom Vilom with me, AJ. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay connected with yourself.